I chose Maryville because as of right now, it is the only school in the area with a forensic science program. Chemistry to me is just one big puzzle. Looking through the different pieces of how everything works makes my brain happy. It's like doing real life puzzles, not just putting pieces of a picture together, putting pieces like different spectra together to tell you what molecule you're holding. And that is so fascinating and fun to me. It also helps that the class sizes are small, so you actually have more interaction with your professors. And they also, if you explain to them what you want to do in the future, they help you figure out the best path for you to go through. Since they deal with it, they know what will be the best for you. If you're interested in studying forensic science, come to campus. We would love to show you around.